Hello and welcome to Krozu Project Management video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain how Krozu uses boards, lists, cards to organize projects. Krozu uses boards as a graphical representation of projects, and lists represent task milestones, while cards represent tasks or deliverables themselves. Let's get started. Once signed in, this is how your dashboard will appear. To start a project in Krozu, the first step is creating the board that will be the root of your entire project tree. Best practices would be your company name, since we all know a business is a project in itself, and all other projects will be contained within this root board. For that, click here on the Start a Project Tree button. Type your company name, press enter, and your project tree is created as a root board ready to contain tasks or projects within. Any project tree you create will appear here in your owned trees. There are many other filters to help you organize your dashboard. The next step is to create the lists in your board. Lists represent vertical columns, which are a sequence of steps or milestones that work activities must go through from start to finish. Click on this Add a List button, type in the list title, and press enter. The list is created. You can create as many lists depending on your project milestones. Now in each list you will add cards. Cards represent work activities, tasks, or deliverables. Again, add as many tasks as you need by using the Add a Card. In many cases, a task may become too large and you will need to be further managed with more subtasks and would more appropriately be considered a child project for further granularization. To do this, simply recurse any of the existing tasks into a project by clicking on a task and then toggle the switch to recurse. Do the same for any other card that needs to be managed as a project. Krozu automatically reports progress of all child boards hierarchically upwards to the root board. Click on the Tree tab to graphically view the hierarchical structure of your project tree. Repeat the same steps to organize all your projects. Here is our final project tree. So this is how you can now organize and iterate your project activities from start to finish using unlimited boards, lists, and cards in Krozu. And if any deliverable or task needs granularity, you can convert or recurse them into a new board, making it possible to manage trees of projects under one board. This is it for now. For a better understanding of how Krozu helps to organize and manage your projects efficiently, watch our other video tutorials on our website, krozu.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.